So how do you use TrendTok to actually figure out if a sound is trending on TikTok or not? Well, my name is Karin Angelly from KarinAngelly.com. I teach and train entrepreneurs how to build their business in the online space. And today I want to talk all about how you can use a product called TrendTok to actually figure out what sounds are about to take off so that you can take advantage and potentially have some videos go viral. Well, listen, I'm here every single week giving you tips, tricks, and training on how to build your business. So do yourself a favor and tap that subscribe button because I want to help you in any way possible. And listen, if you're curious about how you can start attracting leads and sales straight into your business 100% on autopilot, then do yourself a favor and stick around with me till the end because I want to share with you exactly how to do that. All right, so TrendTok. This honestly is one of my favorite hacks to use if I'm trying to figure out if a sound is about to go viral or not. But when I first started using TrendTok, I got really confused by it. I wasn't sure what I should be looking for. I wasn't sure how to figure out if a sound had already gone viral or if it was going viral, which sound should I use. So let me just show you exactly what to do if you want to figure out if a sound is about to go viral so that you can take advantage of it. So the first thing you're going to do is you're actually going to go to your app store and download TrendTok. Here's what it looks like. Once you do that, go ahead into TrendTok and you can see that there's quite a bit of information in here. I'm not going to go over all of this right now, but I want you to take a look at all of these different things in here. There's quite a bit of sounds that you can choose from, and it's actually a really great place to take a look at all the sounds that are going on TikTok right now. Now let's talk about how you can actually figure out if a song is about to go viral. So obviously we have a whole list of sounds right here, right? And as you can see, there is a green up arrow, there's a red down arrow, and then there's a blue circle. When I first saw all of this, I got confused. Should I use the green ones? Is that the one that I want to use? What I figured out is that the ones that you want to actually be using are the ones with the blue circles. Those sounds are literally about to go viral, and you probably want to get on those before they actually do. The ones that are in green have already gone viral, and if you use them, it might not be a bad thing, but you might not get the kind of traction that you want. And the ones that are in red are definitely on their way trending down again. So as you can see, TrendTok is one of my favorite ways to kind of get a sneak peek without spending hours on TikTok, figuring out what sounds are about to go viral or not. So listen, friend, I hope this was helpful in helping you figure out what sounds you can start using on TikTok so that you can actually start creating content that attracts leads and sales. But listen, if you're curious how you can actually start doing this, attracting leads and sales 100% on autopilot, I actually created a totally free training for you. If you take a look at the description, I left a link for you down there where you can actually learn how to start attracting leads and sales 100% on autopilot. And I want to share that with you right now. So go ahead, check out that link in the description because I want to see you grow your business like crazy in 2022. Now go build your unicorn empire.